Have you ever wondered how top realtors like Chad Carroll and Joyce Ray captivate thousands of followers with engaging, impactful social media content? They've managed to not only showcase properties, but to build a real connection with their audience, sparking curiosity, providing value, and ultimately driving business. In this guide, we'll break down their secrets and show you exactly how to create content that both engages and informs, helping you become the go-to agent in your area. Whether it's by spotlighting your community's best features or sharing insider tips, these strategies will help you capture the same level of attention and engagement they do. Let's take a look into the secrets of their success and see how you can make these techniques your own. Technique 1. Neighborhood highlights and guides. Imagine you're a potential home buyer. You're scrolling through social media and suddenly see an agent taking you on a virtual tour of a neighborhood. That's exactly what Chad Carroll does, showing followers the vibrant hotspots, great schools, and unique charms that each area has to offer. Technique 2. High-end virtual tours. Then there's Joyce Ray, who knows how to make her properties shine online. With Instagram highlights, she turns luxury home tours into captivating experiences that her followers can explore at their own pace. Technique 3. Customer success stories. People want to work with agents who truly care, and that's why agents like Caitlin Lucia on TikTok share client testimonials and success stories. This personal touch builds trust, showcasing commitment to client satisfaction. Technique 4. Real estate tips and educational content. Then we have agents like Mark Salerno, who know the power of being informative. From market insights to buyer tips, these quick educational videos establish agents as trusted experts in their field. Technique 5. Behind the scenes of a realtor's day. Finally, one of the best ways to build loyalty is to share your day-to-day life. Top agents share behind-the-scenes clips, offering their followers a glimpse into the world of real estate, the hard work, the fun moments, and everything in between. Grow your real estate presence. So, there you have it. The top 5 content ideas every real estate agent should try. Give these ideas a go, and in just a month, you'll see your social media presence grow and your connections deepen with potential clients. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.